Okay, so here we're going to talk about multiplications. I know multiplication is all time is a hard task for most of the students, but what I want you to know is like the most idea it comes from the multiplication tables because the students they find difficulties to memorize multiplication tables. So that I would like to tell you like we have got one digit by one digit. All what you need to memorize is like multiplication tables. Some students say mystery, like almost like we suffer from memorizing like table 9, 8, and 7, and 6, those big tables. What I want you to know is like in table 9, you need only to memorize 9 times 9, and that's it, which is equal to 81. In table 8, you need to memorize 8 times 8, which is equal to 64, and 8 times 9 is equal to 72. Table 7, you need to start from 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is equal to 63. The same thing for table 6. You start from 6 times 6 and 6 times 7, 6 times 8, and 6 times 9. Table 5, I do believe is easy. Most of the students, they don't need to memorize table 5. Table 4, you need to start from 4 times 4, and 4 times 5, and 4 times 6, and 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9. Table 3, you need to start from 3 times 3 to 3 times 9. If you're good at this part, table 2 is easy. If you're good at this part, then most of the problem of multiplication has been solved. Let's see how do we multiply two-digit number by one-digit number. If you are multiplying two-digit number by one-digit number, all what you need to do is what? Like you come here and you're going to write the digits over each other and then you multiply by each one of them. Like what you do, like you have got 87 multiply 67 multiply 8. Like when you have got 67 times 8. What you do, you need to multiply this 8 by the 7 and you need to multiply by 6. That's all what you need. So you need to be good at multiplication step. You start with 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. You write down the ones and you carry over the tens. The tens you carry it over this 6 over here. You write down the tens here, which is 50. Then you continue your multiplication. 8 times 6 equals 48. Then you add to it the 5. 48 plus 5, that's equals to what? It's equal to 53. Then you write the answer is 53. So your final answer will be what? 536. That is it. Let's go to jump to second question. You've got here 59 times 4. With the same idea, 59 times 4. And you follow the same steps. Step number 1, you multiply 4 times 9. And 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 6, and you carry over the 3. Please don't forget to carry over the 3 and don't forget to add it after you do the second multiplication. Remember this. Then 4 multiply 5 is 20. 20 plus the 3 is 23. So your answer is 236. That is it. Okay, so let's go for more and see how do we multiply two digits by two digits. If you're multiplying two-digit number by two-digit number, you follow the same idea. Like you've got 87 multiplied by 26. Please, if you are the type of people who get most of time, like I've got many students, they get mixed up. They don't know which number and they forget like they are multiplying by which digit. So please, if you are the type of a student who's doing so, please go and put mark on the number that you are multiplying. And then go and multiply normally. You start with a 6. I prefer like if you could be smart and you start with a 2. Some people they start with a 6, some people they start with a 2. But remember, like you need to multiply a number according to the its place value. Like when we multiply with 6, you start with a 6. 6 multiply 7 equal to 42. 2 and I carry over the 4. And then 6 multiply 8 is equal 48. 48 plus the 4 is equal to 52. All right, the 52. Then you are going to move this is mark or this mark from here. Like most of the time I told you, like people, they get mixed. Now take this mark to the 2. But remember, This is not 2. This is 20 because you read it 26. Because it is 20, you need to put 0 for the 20 or the 0 of the 20. And then multiply. 2 multiply 7 is equal 14. 4 and you carry over 1. Please rub this carry over because this is for the previous calculations. You need to write a new carry over for the new calculations. So 2 times 7 is 14. 4 and you carry over 1. And then 2 times 8 is equals to 16. 16 plus the 1 is equal to 17. So you write the 17 all of it because you don't have a number after the 8. And please keep your numbers in columns. Like write these numbers in columns. Don't mix up. Write the numbers in columns. How you write your number in columns? Like what? Like 1. The 2 is ones and the ones, tens and the tens, 100 and hundreds and so on. Then the step after, you just add them. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. And 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And then 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 2 and you carry over 1. Normal addition. And then 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. So your final answer, it will be 2,262. Please don't forget. Another practice example. Like we've got here, this number, 69 times 47. With the same idea, I've told you, like, if you are mixing up, put mark on the number that you're multiplying. And then multiply. 7 multiply 9 equals 63. Write the 3, carry over the 6. Multiply 7 multiply 6 is 42. Don't forget to add the carry over. 42 plus 6 is equal to 48. Then you're finished from what? From multiplying. This carry over, take it out because it's not, you don't need it anymore. It's not expired. Now what you do, now you move to the second number. It is multiplying the 4. But remember, 4 is 40. It's not 4 because we read it 47. So we put the 0 of the 40. And then we multiply 4 times 9 equal 36. 6 and we carry over the 3. And then 4 times 6 equal to 24. 24 plus the 3 is equal to 27. Now write all the 27. Please make sure your numbers are in columns. 1 over 1s, tens over tens, 100 over hundreds. Then after that, add those two numbers together. 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 4 and equal to over 1. 1 plus 4 plus 7, that's going to give you 12. 2 and equal to over 1. Then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So here your answer, it is 3,242.